All right, guys, let's make some dipping sauce for our gyoza.
All right, to cook some frozen gyoza, all you need to do is put in about a tablespoon of oil in a saucepan and throw in your frozen gyoza. Now, I throw mine in just about what I'm going to cook, or, just a few, because they heat up so quickly. And then once you see them looking all scattered and starting to fry, you can be a little bit OCD and make a nice little starfish pattern because you're weird like that. So once you got all of your gyoza starfish pattern into a pretty little nice design, go ahead and let those bad boys continue to fry up on the bottom. Now I just lift them up with my fingers and check the bottom myself and see if they are ready to go. Not quite. Okay, no big deal. Check again. Not quite. No big deal. Okay. And let's try again. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with us? Why do we keep checking so early? All right, last try. There we go. Nice and golden brown. Look at that crust. Okay, so once everything is golden brown, you're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of water and throw a lid on because you want these guys to steam up. It probably takes about 4 to 5 minutes to steam. So while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and make my gyoza dipping sauce. All right, so take your water, add in some soy sauce, and all the measurements, of course, are on the website. Put in some rice vinegar, drip all over the place. Add in some sesame oil and some more sesame oil. Then go ahead and get some minced garlic and some minced ginger as well. I use a ginger paste and a minced garlic for when I just don't have the time to crush it myself. Add in some brown sugar for sweetness. And then we'll add in just a dash of some chili pepper flakes and also some very finely chopped green onions for a little zest or zing, if you will. All right, so once those bad boys are added in, you're going to go ahead and just mix everything up all nice and well. There's no real rhyme or reason, just give it a good stir to mix everything in. Now our gyoza are actually done, so we're going to go ahead and put them in a bowl so we can pour some sauce on top. Now, if you've already found value in this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the like so I can keep on making content like this. Now, go ahead and spoon on generously that sauce. I just put a couple spoons because a little bit at first, make sure I know what I'm doing, and then add in some more as I like it.
Okay, let's give it a try. That's good.
Okay, guys, this recipe is bomb. Go ahead and go grab some frozen gyoza and make some sauce tonight for a quick and easy dinner. Be sure to smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.